Green light is up. We're off and trotting. Oh, You're the Man. He's galloped at the start here. Mildorf is first out. Muscle and Power, Lysenko and Dolly. They'll be the first four on the journey in the first 200 metres. Then Margaritaville, Endless Summer. They'll settle just in behind. They're followed up then by Bumpy Johnson safely away. Macarena Man back third last of the main group with River Glide, and he trots back on the inside, and after blowing the start, You're the Man. He's detached by some 6 lengths as they turn up into the back, and Mildorf, the mare by safely kept, and Philip Fleming, they have the lead. A length and a half, Dolly has taken the trail. Lysenko obliged to sit parked here for luck. Chin around Margaritaville, 3 back the pegs. 1-1 Muscle and Power. David Butcher has the favourite, beautifully situated. A length and a half back, Endless Summer. Back on the inside, Bumpy Johnson. Macarena Man to its outside. A length and a half, He Trots, and River Glide. And 4 lengths, You're the Man back of the tail. The lead time, 44.7. That's a good lead for the trotters. 1400 left to go. Mildorf. From on the inside, Dolly, Lysenko, Park. 3 back, Margaritaville. 1-1. So they come across the top, Muscle and Power. Followed up, Endless Summer. Bumpy Johnson the inside. Then Macarena Man around. He Trots. McKendry back in the field with River Glide. And back last is You're the Man. They swing in, 1200 to go. Mildorf in the first leg of our pick 6 tonight. 32 and 8 was the opening quarter. From Dolly in the trail for Derek Ball. Lysenko still parked. Muscle and Power 1-1. Here's River Glide coming forward, striding well forward now. The mare by Red River Hanover. Back on the inside, Margaritaville's 3 back on the markers. Then Endless Summer is on the outside of Bumpy Johnson. He Trots, just comes away from the markers there now from Margarita on the outside, Macarena Man. And back of the tail, You're the Man. 800 left to go. 31 and 7 was the second quarter. 64.5 was the half. Down the back they run. Still it is Mildorf, the one they've got to catch. Lysenko right there, second the outside. Dolly waiting the passing lane. It's been travelling well throughout. As to Muscle and Power, the favourite, the 1-1. River Glide, she's been shaken up out 3 wide to try and come forward. Back on the inside, Margaritaville. They're followed by Endless Summer. Back on the inside, Bumpy Johnson, Macarena Man, You're the Man, and He Trots. 400 left to go. 30 and 2 the third quarter. Still it is Mildorf. Muscle and Power sprung out of the 1-1. He's right there, ready to pounce now. Back on the inside, Dolly. Margaritaville's come away from the markers. I think that's our race as they swing in. Mildorf, Muscle and Power. Here comes Margaritaville down the outside, and Dolly up the passing lane. It's Muscle and Power. On the inside, Mildorf won't give it away, and Dolly coming up the markers, and Margaritaville. It's Muscle and Power. Dolly though. Dolly right through on the inside. First run for the Derek Ball and Owen Gillies barn. Derek driving it home, and will blow many tickets out in pick 6 at 41 to 1. Second over, Muscle and Power. Mildorf and Margaritaville. They were followed then by River Glide. Macarena Man further back in the field there now would have been You're the Man. They were followed back by He Trots. Lysenko didn't get into it after sitting parked throughout. Bumpy Johnson well back, as too was Endless Summer.